So I've now put it all together. I intentionally left the end cap here just so that you can see how it goes. The fabric goes on it. So if you are putting it together, that's how it is. So all that is left now is to put the last end cap. I notice one has a triangular fitting here, the other one has a square one, just so that you don't mix it up. So I'm going to, it just clicks in place. So once you get it right, you give it just a little bit of pressure, it's going to click in, and that's all that there is to it. So if you are disassembling, you put something flat here just to get it off, slowly, around, and that's pretty much it. So it's now working. Let me turn it on. I did charge it overnight, and I have 100% on the charge.
Bluetooth mode.
That's pretty much it, and the controls all work. This is for the light. You're able to turn it off. So it sort of changes the different modes for the light, and at some point the light just goes off. So I just turn it off, and then I just so yeah, this is the off state for the LED light. So volume up, volume down. This is down for changing channels when you are playing radio. This is the mode, Bluetooth and radio mode. So that's pretty much it. And this cover is where you find the SD card slot, the USB port, and the Type-C charge port. So that's pretty much it. Nice and clean.
Power off.